Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. My name's Joe. I work with Transwest Trailers. Today I wanted to do a quick walk around on a trailer that we just got in for a customer. We've been waiting on it for about a year. It's a Trail King 110SA. So that means it's a 55-ton hydraulic sliding axle. The three axles move all the way forward, and then the whole deck moves down to give it about a 6 to 7 degree load angle when you're loading different types of equipment needed, such as paving equipment and so forth. Start at the front of the trailer. Like all Trail King hydraulic operated trailers, you can get a winch on these. Most people do. This is a 20,000 pound winch. You can get a remote control. This particular remote control just controls the winch. So an operator can load dead pieces on and off while he's loading them himself. Front of the trailer has two small toolbox areas that are lockable, one on each side. Side of the trailer has two controls for your ride height and your suspension. We made it as simple as possible, show you exactly how to operate it. And then the functionality of the trailer is controlled with just three controls. You have one doing the winch, you have one doing the actual sliding axles will move forward, and then the other one will control the tilt of the deck. Super convenient. They put a light right here. The other nice thing they did is they made the controls, my operator's on the other side, and he has the same exact controls over there, so you can control it if you're on one side of the road or the other. It gets you a little bit safer position. Once you get to the top of the trailer, they're going to use Apatong, just like all their other low boys and equipment trailers. The front of the trailer has a roller right here, so when the deck is up and you're using the winch, it can roll over that instead of scraping the trailer. Side of the trailer, Trail King does a good job of putting lube points on here, and as many moving parts as this trailer has, it's really important to keep everything lubed up. Middle of the trailer, you have one mid-turn signal, and you can get more lights if you'd like the trailer to be a little bit more illuminated. The other lube points on the side of the trailer, there's three on the main deck. The other point is right here. And then if you come to the rear of the trailer, right above the safety bumper bar, there's two sets of lube points also. And you can see how many positions there are to be lubing. Obviously, it's in your best interest to make sure that is done frequently. The trailer has strobe lights. The control's right here. However, when this deck goes down, the axles move forward, you can no longer see those lights. So you can add some safety lights in the middle of the deck so that everything's a little bit more illuminated when you're doing work in the evening. You can also add work lights at the drop there. I'm gonna have my operator now move the axles forward. Trail King just redid this trailer a little while ago, and those axles are moving much quicker than they used to on their trailer. Once it gets back to a certain point, the deck will start rising. There it goes. And you can keep this deck going further up so that once it comes up all the way, you can load pieces all the way up to the top here. So if you have a piece that'll fit all the way up there, you can do that. This trailer is a 3-axle configuration, 55-ton, but you can also get it in a 2-axle, and it would be an 80. The trailer's 102 inches wide. Most lowboys or equipment trailers are also. And then you can see the operator is operating from the controls that are exactly the same on the other side. Once those go all the way back, you are in transport mode and ready to go. This trailer is a really convenient trailer for paving companies and any type of equipment that you need a lower degree of load angle on here. If you have any questions or have any interest in getting one of these spec'd out, My name is Joe. My email is joe.b as in boy, O-U-G-H-E-R @transwest.com. And my cell phone number is 720-257-1126. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.